Hi everyone, we're on a Toyota Celica 1.8. This will be just a short one just to show you if you need to change the thermostat on it. The thermostat actually sits behind there. You've got two 10mm nuts at the top of it there, and there's another nut on the bottom. Undo those two, the whole thing comes off. I've disconnected the sensor to disconnect, press the tab and pull it off. Once you took it off, what do? You just pull the thermostat out. I'm not sure if it's going to be a faulty thermostat on this, but this one will be a longer project because it was overheating. Well, it didn't overheat, but it seemed like it's got a head gasket problem, so we're going to check that. Don't need extra seals for the thermostat on this because the seal is part of the new thermostat. Make sure you've got a bucket underneath to drain it. The new thermostat comes with a new seal around it, so you just clean the seat for it and you install the new one, put the two nuts and job is done. Right, 2 bolts, the new thermostat is in place now. Whether that was a problem or not, we're going to find out. There's going to be some more videos on this car anyway because it's a long-term project. It's my daughter's. This is the 7A FE engine 1.8. All reliable engines. I'm going to be doing timing belt on this. We're going to be doing the full service on it. We're going to be doing quite a lot on this car. So if you're interested, just subscribe to the channel and like the video. And I'll see you on the next one.